guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a fabulous fall makeup tutorial based on the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Fabulous Fall, using the products that were included in the Fabulous Fall box. If you missed that unboxing, I will have it linked in the iCard for you guys, as well as in the description below. And I'm not going to waste your time talking about what Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is, because you can go watch that video to learn all about it. So today I'm just going to be doing the tutorial to go along with that month's box. I will have all the products that I used linked in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed how this tutorial came out. I absolutely love doing these Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box looks, and I love it. So I love trying new themes, new makeup themes, new products. It's just really great, and I love how this tutorial turned out. So again, if you want to see how this tutorial turned out and what products I used, just keep on watching. To start off this fabulous fall makeup tutorial, I'm just gonna do my normal stuff, and then I will get into, of course, the products that were included in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Fabulous Fall, and I'll let you know what those products are once I get to them if you have not seen the Fabulous Fall makeup, or the Sweet Sparkle Fabulous Fall unboxing. So, of course, I have a link in the iCard if you're interested. It would be helpful to see that video first. But to get ready for makeup, I am going to prime my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So, for like BB cream and stuff, you guys know I've been using my NYX Professional Makeup BB cream in the shade Nude.
Don't feel alone in this world. The best is yet to come.
Now that BB cream is done, I'm going to go in with concealer and use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light. I could probably stand to go one shade darker, but it's not like crazy noticeable.
Why focus on those bad times? This daylight is precious. See yourself as number one. Hold on to hope and never let him go. Your star is shining bright.
I know it makes me look a little bit light at first, but it kind of oxidizes to match my skin better. So give it a second, it will look much better. In the meantime, I'm going to be using my Elizabeth Mott Set for Life Loose Setting Powder. I've been loving this powder, as you guys know. The way that it mattifies my face, it looks so good.
There's something you should know. We rise and we fall, but life goes on, and we learn to stand tall from the world that's around.
Now to bring some color back into my face, I'm going to finally use one of the products that was in my Sweet Sparkle Fabulous Fall box. And this is by the brand J.Cat Beauty, and this is the Golden Soleil Baked Bronzer in the shade Cancun Golden Tan. So this is a shimmery bronzer, and I'm not usually one for shimmery bronzers, so hopefully this will go okay, and it will look okay, and I'll apply it right. So this will be new for all of us. I'm actually going to be using two products because this Sourmet brush was also included in the Fabulous Fall box. This isn't typically the kind of brush that I would use to apply bronzer, but it's what they included, so I'm going to use it. I feel like this is going to be a disaster.
From a seed in the ground, we can now grow our past. Life is all about now. Life is all about now.
I'm too afraid to use too much, so that's why it looks like I keep going back and forth, because I am. Because I'm only using like a dot at a time. Because with shimmer, with shimmer bronzer, it's really easy to go overboard.
Those friends with all.
This brush keeps shedding, as you can see, so that doesn't help me either. I would not recommend this Sourmet brush. I keep pulling some of it because I'm like, oh, it's just like a little bit like that's shedding. But no, this is like the whole brush. This is why I do these tutorials, though, because it's my way of like putting these products to the test, you know, and letting you guys know if it's these certain products are worth it. And I'm not even gonna use this brush anymore. I can't. It's not applying the bronzer, right? Because it keeps shedding, which is making it harder to apply. But you can't say I didn't use it. Like, I definitely tried it. It just doesn't work. I'm gonna throw this right in the trash after this tutorial because all it does is shed. So I'm gonna go in with my own bronzer brush here.
All the answers, were they ever really there?
This is actually nice and like gives me like a nice golden look. You really, this bronzer right here is like just all about blending. But if you blend, this looks, as you can tell, it's like adding some color to my face. This is really good.
Don't sit around or hide away. Get out there and live.
Here's the bronzer. For some reason it looks like I have highlight on, but I don't. I like it. I didn't think that I would like it at all. In fact, I thought I would hate it, but it's not too bad. I really like the way that it looks on my forehead. I think it gives me a nice golden bronze, of course. With this bronzer, it's all about blending, and a little bit goes a long way, so you really don't need a lot with this product. I can't say I hate it. It's not bad at all, and I like it a little bit more than I thought I would, so I think I'll still stick to my matte products, but I don't think this would be bad to switch up once in a blue moon, so this is really pretty. Let me know what you guys think of this bronzer on me. Like I said, I really like how it looks on my forehead, especially. It looks really, really good. Now I'm going to be using the Essence Makeup I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow.
Love yourself and learn to care. Hold on to hope and never let him go. Your star is shining bright. This lesson you should know. We rise and we fall.
Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Soft Brown. Cue the time lapse because this takes a while.
And we learn to stand tall from the world that surrounds us, from a seed in the ground. We can now grow our past. Life is all about now. Life is all about now. Those bad times.
Now for this fabulous fall makeup look, we're going to do eyeshadow, which I'm a little nervous about, so you'll see why in a second. But the two eyeshadows, I received two eyeshadows in my Sweet Sparkle Fabulous Fall box. They are both by Crown, and this one is in the shade Chocolate Ganache, and then this one's Marcella. I don't know. I'll probably use something from my Urban Decay Naked palette here. Old trusty. I'm just gonna kind of go with this, what I can create, and I'll explain it more after I'm done rather than while I'm doing it, because I don't really know. I think it's just gonna be as I go kind of thing.
They'll heal, you won't forget. This gig ain't no rehearsal. Oh no. And you decide to set. We rise and we fall, but life goes on, and we learn to stand tall from the world that surrounds us, from a seed in the ground. We can outgrow our past. Life is all about now. Life is all about now.
So let me walk you through what I did for this eye look. At first, the colors just seemed really dull, and I wasn't liking how it was looking, and I didn't know what else I could add to make it look better and more vibrant. I am not the queen of eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. It's one of my favorite makeup products, but one thing I wish I was better at is just blending and incorporating more than one color. Again, well, obviously I use more than one color, but using like lots and lots of different colors. I usually stick to 3 or 4, and I did my max today, which was 4, and I think I like how it turned out. The colors in general are more dull because it's a fabulous fall makeup look, but the two eyeshadows that they included here, these are full-size shadows, by the way. Okay, let me go from the beginning. I also incorporated my Urban Decay Naked palette, like I said. On the lid, I used the shade Sin. So right here, I used the shade Sin. And then in my crease, I used Mascara, which is the red, like, brick color that you see. And then Chocolate Ganache, I did very subtle because it is so dark. I used that a little bit in my outer V. And then what made the look complete is using the shade Toasted on my lid in my Urban Decay Naked palette. And this color right here, Toasted right there, incorporates the look so well with the reds and the brown that was included. The way it looks on my lid is absolutely amazing. And I'm just so glad that I have this palette because I don't think I have another shadow like it. Like, it just makes the look complete. This one is a matte color, and then this is kind of matte, but like this color is also kind of matte, but like it's a little bit more shimmery. But the shimmer and the color Toasted from my Urban Decay palette that I use just completes this look so well. So I hope that kind of makes sense. I know the time lapse of the eyeshadow was just kind of all over the place, but I was just kind of doing it as I went. I should have planned better, but honestly, I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. And I was able to use both of the eyeshadows that was included in the fabulous small box. So it worked out really well, and I'm happy with the end product. Eyeshadow is finally done. For mascara, I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Tinted Lash Primer. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my Essence Lash Princess False Effect Lash Mascara. I feel like that mascara made my eyelashes look a little bit funky today. It normally doesn't do that. I don't know what the problem is, or what the problem was. Oh well, I think it's okay, and it is what it is, I guess. It doesn't look awful, but not as good as it usually does for some reason. Which, again, I don't know what I did differently, but... Okay, using the last product that was in the Fabulous Fall Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is a lip liner, and this is by the brand Terramare? I don't know, I think that's how you say it. And this is the ultimate lip liner in the shade Winery. I'm super excited. I think it'll go great with the eyeshadow, and then I have a lipstick of my own that I'll be applying after this, but this was the last product featured in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Fabulous Fall. Don't worry, my lip liner doesn't look this bad. I started applying lipstick before I showed you guys, but the last step of this Fabulous Fall makeup tutorial is lipstick, of course, and since they didn't include a lipstick, I had used one of my own, and this one is by Avon, and this one is in the shade Superb Wine. The lip liner was in the shade Winery, and this one is in the shade Superb Wine. I figured they'd go perfect together.
This daylight is precious. See yourself as number one. Hold on to hope and never.
So here is the completed Fabulous Fall makeup tutorial based on the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Fabulous Fall, using the products that were included in the box. I really like how this tutorial turned out. I wasn't sure at first how I was going to like it, especially with some of the eyeshadow that was included. I just wasn't sure how it was going to perform. But overall, I love the look. I love how it turned out, and it's definitely fall. And only on FunsizedStyle can you see a Fabulous Fall makeup tutorial in May or April. I don't know when this is going up. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.